What is good, y'all? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm finally revealing the Untitled Secret Project. The Untitled Secret Project is called the Fully Automatic Potato Cannon. Yes, you heard correct. I already got the parts for it. Some of the parts. That will be that. Well, this is basically the exact same. This exact same way it's gonna be, but right about either right below there, up there would be the mag to hold. Shit. Will be the mag to hold. Is it in here? Yes. Yes, it is. Will be the mag to hold a couple of these. Come on. Focus. Focus. Would be the hold a couple of these. Probably like 4 or 5, maybe. I actually haven't shown this on the channel yet. This is the motherfucker 500. What I've shown on the channel before was the motherfucker 300. It's the 500. And then the automatic one's gonna be the motherfucker 900. Fuck it. Whatever. It's going up by 300s. Anyways, I need more cans, which I don't know because of this. No. I could probably go next week or something. Get some more cans if I have any money left. What else? Oh yeah, if you didn't, I'm not sure if this video is gonna be out before or after the one I'm working on. The camera equipment will be here Thursday, so yeah, can't wait for that. I'll have my wobbly ass camera. What else? Yeah, I would start on that today, but you realize, well, actually, you know what? It's 10:30 at night. Almost 11 o'clock. It's 10:50. Might as well get started on it now, you know? I got my duct tape. I'll probably spend like $80 on duct tape the past year and a half, honestly. But, well, let's get started. Now, this probably won't be very long. Vlog setup. I'm not gonna invest in any cameras yet because I'm a very small channel. Well, but anyways, it's gonna go this one, then this one in the middle. Oh, I haven't think about that. Oh wait, never mind. and then this one is the third one, and the last two will be untouched, I think. Yeah, they'll just go on. And that's exactly what I did. Yeah. So, this part's almost done. Anyways, let's get this going. What's the first top part? I should start with the bottom two first, actually. Yeah, I realize a lot of this stuff I'll be doing on the channel will be creating stuff, not just really destroying. But hey, it's a YouTube channel. Whatever. Who cares? Right? I'm gonna have sick ass merch in the future. First merch drop will be at 100K. Maybe 100,000. Who knows? I don't know yet. Depend on my viewer count and all that. But hey, I already do pretty decent because the majority of you who watch know me from school, and maybe like 6 of you don't know me at all. Yeah. Oh well, I'm trying to adjust this. Damn, I cannot wait until I get that thing. Wish I would have ordered it this week, but I thought I'd be dumb and wait. There we go. But cologne I don't use will work. Hopefully you guys can see that there. Whatever. Try to figure out. Yep, you can see through just fine. Now this is always a hard part, especially doing it on my own. But if you want to do this at home, I recommend getting someone else and doing it. I don't feel like bugging anybody right now. Shit. Fuck. Alright, that was easy. I remember that button back in the day. It was like, that was easy button. I'm trying to do it. That was easy. That was way off. I'm gonna put a clip in right now for it. Anyways, dang, I didn't spin this back. I haven't shown you my ghetto ass setup right now. And that might fall, but right now. So I got that taped together. It's pretty straight, pretty accurate. There we go. Here's one with a hole. This one may be a complicated one. In fact, I may have an idea. No, I'll let it make it lopsided. Yeah. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Put together. I have marking this for that, and blah blah blah. Yeah, blah 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 is a thing. Blah 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 is now a thing on this channel.
combine that with that, and then add this one on the top. Then part 1 will be done. Alright, time to get the last one on here. You know what? I'm just gonna use a little bit of my classic magic. This will be on there, duct taped it all, in 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Ha! There we go. It's on there. Just like that. We have magic powers you guys don't know about. Alright. Same size. Almost. This one's gonna be slightly bigger. Will it? I think. Hang on a second. I gotta look at the other one real quick because I know the other one will work. No. No. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. That does it for this video. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. Let's get 30 likes. 30 likes and I'll do that. And well, anyway, it has been banned from Second Slayer.